විශ්ව ක්‍රිකට් පිටියේ අංක 1 ස්ථානයේ වැතිබෙන වනිදු හසරංග එතෙක් මෙතෙක් දවාගත් සුපිරිම කඩළු 10 තමයි necta bro අද ඔයාලට ගෙනල්ලා තියෙන්නේ. පිටිකරුවන් නන්දමන්දන අයුරින් සුපිරි පන්දුවීමක නිරත වන වනිදු ලෝක කුසලාන ක්‍රිකට් තරඟවලදී දැක්වූ සුපිරි දක්ෂතා හේතුවෙන් ඔහු මේ වන විට 20 පන්දුවන්නන්ගේ ශ්‍රේණිගත කිරීම වලට අනුව පළමුවන ස්ථානයේ පසු වෙනවා.
That's out. Surely that's out. That's right in front. India in all sorts.
Just look at that. One came in, one left him, and this one has just hurried through.
There was a matchup works for Wanidu Hasaranga. So much of what should. Ball in. That's big. Beautifully bowled. Straight at delivery. No turn whatsoever. Sarfaraz missed it completely. He was looking to play towards.
Pogum skidded low. Hasaranga straight away into the action, straight away with a wicket. He has his first. Sri Lanka have their first.
That's why he was introduced.
Gone again, but he completely misses the wrong one. It's a brilliant run taking option. Topped up, wrong one.
In the spotlight. This ball has come down the pitch, he misses. Hasaranga hits. And this ICC World he departs.
And then deep mid wicket. Oh, he's gone. Hasaranga. Wawindu's picked up a wicket again.
And he's Jaman Makram goes.
Finger goes up. Wanidu Hasaranga